Now, when we are centrally managing the home gateway and we can access it from the host PC and manage it, we would like to configure the site-to-site VPN. So from here to here will be encrypted with the IPsec protocol. So I will start with the end side, the branch office. I need to validate the deactivate the license, but we didn't configure internet access right now. So we will wait for it and use the eval. So what do I need to do for site-to-site VPN? So 1 minute. Everything is configured from here, sorry. So I'm going to this panel and I will go, I need to, first of all, add the VPN blade, IPsec VPN. I need to do it also. Till now, we use the mobile blade to securely remote. Now we need the VPN for site-to-site VPN. So just enable first of all, then I will go to the VPN community. I will create new star community. I will call it site-to-site with home. This is the central site, and this is the satellite. Everything I configure here will be installed on both of the firewalls. So we don't have any misconfiguration because this policy will be pushed to both of them. I use permanent tunnel because I want to be sure the tunnel is up. I will configure, I don't need to configure share secret also because it's only for externally managed. I think that's it. And I will disable NAT. This is important. I want the communication to be from LAN to LAN, from 10.5.3 to 10.5.4, not between 10.5.2.3 and 10.5.2.10. From here to here, it's like this PC is right over here in another interface of the firewall. It's like. So after I configure the VPN, I need to add the rule. So I will make new rule and I will tell Win10VM3, this is my home laptop, to Win10VM. I will use only encrypted traffic with the site-to-site with home. And I want to restrict it only to port RDP. I will make them both because sometimes the Windows 10 use UDP and I want it for FTP. For anything else, it will not pass via the tunnel. I don't want the tunnel to be very busy from the wrong traffic. I need to find a way to see because Okay. I don't. It's like the same name for both of them. Okay, so I still can manage the firewalls. Everything else will be dropped. I just want the Win10 VM3 to RDP this machine. I will start the machine and I will try the install. We have 4 minutes. Next step, I would like the home laptop to have internet access from here to the internet. So I need to configure new rules. So 1 minute, I will connect my cell phone. The installation is succeed. Let's see if the tunnel is up. I can do it from here also. I'm going to the log. I'm going to class, new tab. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Go on. I can do it also from here. I will sort via type and open this one. I can create shortcut so I don't have to do it again. Same IP, same user, same password. 10.5.5.3. Eh. It's FWM. That's it. Two minutes. What do you think? The tunnel is up? Tunnels. Permanent tunnels. Down! Why like this? It's not fair. Ta-na-na-na, 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 dun, dun. Let's try again. Let's check it from here. Okay. VPN to you. We have this key. Let's see. So it should work. Sometimes it happens. I asked the checkpoint support why it's happened, and they told me